So the first one is good diet. We all know that our hair is made of protein. So people who have very less protein in their daily diet, they tend to lose their hair. And that is why I want you to include a lot of protein rich foods. Second very important thing is indulge in a good fat diet. A good fat diet includes flax seeds, almonds, and walnuts and other small raisins. Include that and have that a handful of dry fruits every day, so that your hair gets enough nutrition for. The third thing is massage your hair properly. We get the old method of massaging our hair. When we massage our scalp, the blood circulation improves in that area. The main function of the blood is to transfer nutrients to each and every part of the body. When you improve your blood circulation in the area of where you have lost your hair, or when you massage your scalp nicely, the nutrients transfer to your scalp and lets your hair grow. So this is a very easy and important trick, and we tend to forget that. Then the fourth very important tip is be happy. When we stress, when we worry, when we face anxiety, when we are depressed, we tend to lose our hair because our mental state gets damaged. We are not able to feel good about ourselves. We lose our hair. So try to be happy and try to become a little stress-free, worry less, so that your hair doesn't get affected. When you are very thorough with all these points, then you can follow a better hair care routine. I include a very simple hair care routine that is very affordable and that does not include any high-end products, because I have already followed the important points that has to be followed. So a high-end product doesn't come in the way. That